44. Epithelium muscular cell. Muscular contractions in the nerve net. Sonocytes. Specialized cells, barb-like thorn next to the epithelium, shoot nematocysts for prey and defense. Nutrient muscular cells. Tall columnar cells where intracellular digestion occurs. Gland cells, digestion. Sensor cells detect chemicals, tactile, and other stimuli and pass information to nerve cells. Nerve cells. Determine response to stimuli. Tentacle. Capture prey and pass to mouth. Also 5. Digestive system. Catch prey with tentacles, sting, and pass them through GVC. Gland cells discharge enzymes and begin extracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion finishes in the gastrodermis as intrusive cells phagocyze. Waste products go out of the mouth. Reproductive system. Asexual reproduction, budding and polyps or regeneration. Some colonies exhibit polymorphism, more than one structure formed an individual within a species. Sexual reproductive, fall, internal or external fertilization depending on the species. Planula, ciliated larvae, moves, attaches, monoecious or dioecious. Nervous system. Nerve net. Nerve net of cnidarians, one of the best examples of diffuse nervous systems. 2 nerve nets, one at the base of epidermis and one at the base of gastrodermis. Surface cells interconnect. Control muscles, myocytes, nerve action potential transmitted across synapses by neurotransmitters. Unlike higher animals, no central nervous system. Nerve net has neurotransmitter on both sides of the synapse, allowing transmission in either direction. No myelin sheath on the neck. Sorry, that was 47. 48. Portuguese man o' war. Dactylozoid, tentacle for defense and prey and capture. Gastrozoids feeding. Gonozoids reproductive. Metaphor to float overgrown polyp filled with gas tentacles. Sea anemones and clownfish. The sea anemone has poisonous tentacles, so when the clownfish are young, they rub against the anemone to slowly get used to the poison, like the gray rats do with food poison. So when a predator comes near the clownfish, they withdraw into the anemone. The clownfish chases away the polyp-eating predators, as well as the anemone gets fertilizer from the feces. And some say that the anemone gets scraps of food and algae from what's left over of the clown's dinner. And the anemone gets better water circulation with clown's movements. 51. Reefs, fringing reefs close to a landmass with no lagoon or narrow lagoon. Barrier reef run parallel to a shore and have a wide, deep lagoon. Atoll reefs that encircle a lagoon but not an island. Class Hydrozoa. No nematocysts in GBC. Acellular mesoglia. Asexual binding can take place, but the individuals so formed remain attached to each other. Medusa's free swimming and represents the sexually reproducing dispersal phase. Both polyps and medusa body forms. The polyp is sessile and usually colonial polyps. Zoids, individual polyp animals. Theacate or atheacate, projective cup around the polyp or not. Oglia, ectopleria, and hydrozoan. Some secrete calcareous skeleton resembling the true coral. Class Zoophyzoa, true jellyfish. Most of the larger jellyfish belonging to this class. Nearly all float in open sea. One order is sessile, attached to seaweeds by tall. Shells vary in shape and size. Composed mostly of mesoglia, which is very thick. Tentacles, panubrium, and often the entire body have nematocysts. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal in the gastric pouch of the female. Zygote develops an associated planula larvae. form buds called ephyrae that break loose to form jellyfish medusae. Moon jellyfish, giant jellyfish, Cassiopeia, upside-down jellyfish. Class Anthozoa, the flower animal. Sea anemone and lots of different kinds of coral. Huge group. Lack of Medusa stage. All marine in both deep and shallow water and varying size. GVC. Large in proportionate bisepta, musks and teres, inward extensions of body wall. Crestorozoa. Commonly called storm medusians. No Medusa stage. Solitary polyp body that is stalked. Uses adhesive discs to attach to seaweed and objects on sea bottom. Sexually reproduced. Polyp pup resembles Medusa with 8 arms around the mouth. Hydra. 53. Hydra, Hydrozoa. Oblea, Hydrozoa. Mycelium, Manowar, Hydrozoa. Brunanimus, Hydrozoa. Aurelia, Sleptozoa. Cassiopeia, Sleptozoa. Sea anemone, Anthozoa. Sea fan, Anthozoa, and coral, Anthozoa. 54. Lab. Identify all animals and structures in lab. 55. Understand and be able to explain the observations, procedures, data, and conclusions for all labs.
$46, $48,